Express the unit vector directed towards a point x1, y1, z1 from arbitrary point in the plane y is equal to minus 5. Now here y is equal to minus 5 is given. So the point on the plane y is equal to minus 5 is having a y coordinate which is minus 5, and there are some values of x and z coordinate. So point on the plane y is equal to minus 5 having coordinate equal to minus 5 and some values of x and z coordinates. X and z coordinates. So consider this point as P. So coordinates of point P are x minus 5 z, and let Q be the another point which is having coordinate x1, y1 and z1. Let Q be another point with coordinates Q as x1, y1 and z1. Now the vector PQ bar, we have to calculate the vector PQ. We have to calculate unit vector. For that we have to first PQ bar vector. Vector PQ bar. So PQ bar is equal to Q bar minus P bar, that is equal to Q bar is x1 minus x ax bar plus y1 minus of minus 5 ay bar plus z1 minus z az bar. So the equation will remain as it is. Now we have to find the unit vector. So it is denoted by a bar p q. It is expressed as a bar p q is equal to p q bar divided by mod of p q. So p q bar is this x1 minus x ax bar plus y1 minus plus 5 ay bar plus z1 minus z az bar divided by square root of x1 minus x square plus y1 plus 5 square plus z1 minus z square. This is unit vector. Now the next problems are based on problems on transformation of the vector. Now the first problem is a point P is specified in Cartesian coordinate system as P having value 2, 3, 1. Express this point in the cylindrical coordinate system. So first given is that P having value 2, 3, 1. So first is given point is P 2, 1 and 3. 2, 1 and 3. That is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3. So for that we have to use the conversion formulas. Now what are the conversion formulae? So using So these three are the conversion formulas. That is r is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Phi is tan inverse of y by x and z is equal to z. Now putting these values of x, y, z in above equation. This is equation 1, 2 and 3. Put these values of x, y, z in above equation. So r will be r is equal to square root of x square plus y square, that is 2 square plus 1 square, that is 5. So value of square root of 5 we can find it on calculator, 2.24. Now phi is tan inverse of y by x. Value of y is 1 divided by 2, that is equal to in degree, and z is equal to 3. So these point can be expressed in cylindrical coordinates. Cylindrical coordinate system as P of r, phi and z, that is P of value of r is 2.24, phi is 26.56 degree and z is 3. Now the next is a point P is expressed in cylindrical coordinate system as P having values 3, pi by 4 and 2. Express this point in Cartesian coordinate system. So here given that here values are given in the cylindrical. So here P is r, phi and z, that is equal to P is 3 pi by 4 2, that is r is equal to 3 pi by 4 and z is equal to 2. Now we have to use the conversion formula. So we have the formula that x is equal to r cos of phi, y is r sin phi and z is equal to z. Now we will put values of r, phi and z in this equation and we get the Cartesian coordinate system equation in the form of Cartesian coordinate system. So put these values in above equation. So x is equal to 3 cos pi by 4, y is equal to 3 sin pi by 4 and z is equal to 2. So value of this by using calculator we can get 1 2, and this is also. So these are the values in the form of Cartesian coordinate system, and we can write this as point P in Cartesian coordinate system as P is equal to 2.12, 2.12 and 2. The next problem is the 2 points A and B are specified by A is 1 minus 3 4, B 2 pi by 3 and 1. So we have to find out the distance from A to B. So for that, here the point B is expressed in cylindrical coordinate. So first we will convert it into the Cartesian. So write here that here point B is expressed point B is expressed in cylindrical coordinate. So convert it into Cartesian system. Into Cartesian coordinate system. So for that we have to use the equations as x is equal to r cos phi, y is equal to r sin phi, and z is equal to z. So we have the values as, here we have r is equal to 2, phi is equal to pi by 3 and z is equal to 1. So therefore x is equal to 2 cos pi by 3, that is 1. Y is equal to 2 sin pi by 3. So we get these values at 1.73 from calculator, and z is equal to 1. Therefore point B in Cartesian system is 1.73 and 1. Now we have to find the distance from A to B. Distance from A to B, and it is obtained by using distance formula. So AB is equal to what? B minus A, square root of B, that is 1 minus 1 square, plus value of B is 1.73 minus of, it is minus 3, minus of minus 3 square, plus 1 minus, here it is 4, 1 minus 4 square. So it is 0. So we will solve it directly on Calci, and the final answer is 6.88. So this is the value of AB, or the distance from A to B. So here we will see the summary of transformation, or the formulas for the transformation. from cylindrical to Cartesian and from Cartesian to cylindrical. This is a summary. From cylindrical to Cartesian, and here from Cartesian to cylindrical. So the first formula in cylindrical to Cartesian is x is equal to r cos phi. If we know the value of r and phi, then we can find the x. Then y is equal to r sin phi and z is equal to z. Now the next, from Cartesian to cylindrical. Here we have to find the values of r, phi and z. So r is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x, and z is equal to z. So this is a summary of transformation. These two types of formulas are used for solving the problems. Thank you.